Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 51. Endowed with a pure intellect, controlling the self by firmness, relinquishing sound and other objects, and abandoning attraction and hatred.
Chapter 18, Shloka 51. बुद्ध्या विशुद्धया युक्तो धृत्यात्मानं नियम्य च शब्दादीन् विषयांस् त्यक्त्वा रागद्वेषो व्युदस्य च.
Chapter 18, Shloka 51. Conditions of perfect meditation are described as 1. An intellect purified of all its extrovert desires. 2. A mind, together with the sense organs, brought well under control of the intellect or purified. 3. The sense organs no more contacting the sense objects. And 4. A mind that has given up the ideas of likes and dislikes. With these conditions, one can become a successful meditator, endowed with a pure understanding. Means a mind is free of tendencies of acquiring, possessing, and enjoying sense objects which had supplied satisfaction, controlling the mind and the senses with fortitude, because these two create hurdles in meditation by bringing in a stimuli from the outside or remembering its own experiences of the past, develop sama and dhamma. The sense objects are sound, form, touch, taste, or smell, which should not infiltrate through the ears, eyes, skin, tongue, and the nose, respectively. The mind can, of its own accord, remember some joy or sorrow because of its likes and dislikes, loves and hates, and hence must be controlled. These make a successful meditator. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.